Hi, I'm Eli, a product designer in Brooklyn, and I discovered this problem when I started wearing my keys on the belt loop. The carabiner was getting stuck when I tried to take the keys off at my door, and when I tried to put them on, I'd have to lift up my shirt, line it up, and it was a whole process. So I decided to make a quick release attachment for your keys, something that would let you take them on and off in a second. I know that keys are very valuable for people and losing them would be a huge issue. So I spent months refining the design to make sure that the interlocking mechanism was bulletproof.